This will be a short video about how much YouTube actually paid me for 8 million YouTube Shorts views. This number may be different for other creators, but I think the average number is the same. I want to clarify that I made this amount right after the Shorts monetization was introduced to everyone. Maybe the amount you can make right now is much different. So here you can see I made exactly $336.11. The highest day was when I received 1.9 million views and got $68.38. This means you get around $38 for 1 million Shorts views, which is not that much, but still it is much better than any other platform out there, including TikTok. For me, it shows I am basically making $0.05 for 1,000 Shorts views, while my average number for regular YouTube videos is $5.22 for 1,000 views. This is one of the reasons why I am switching to long form videos as well. The good thing about YouTube Shorts is that you can make 5 to 10 shorts every day if you really get serious, and that way you can actually earn much more. I know many creators that are growing multiple channels to 10 to 20 million subscribers, which is quite insane. Making YouTube Shorts is a good idea because this is a great way for new people to start creating content as well. Because you can do it literally from your phone and upload instantly. One growth secret I can share that many people don't know about is this. YouTube Shorts perform better if they are longer and have at least 70 to 80% retention rate. So for example, if you make a video on TikTok and it is 5 to 15 seconds long, you can still get millions of views for your TikTok video. On YouTube Shorts, this is almost impossible. It is much more easier to get millions of views for a video that is 40 to 59 seconds long. I have tested this multiple times myself. All of my biggest trending shorts are at least 40 seconds long and have at least 80% watch time. You should definitely use this hack to get more views if you want to actually grow on YouTube fast. And yeah, that's basically the best information about YouTube Shorts monetization that I have. Press like so YouTube algorithm can actually find me, and thanks for watching.